Welcome to the best picks. The best trailer tie-downs is probably one of the most important safety features you can have when hauling cargo, ensuring your precious items arrive safely and securely at their destination, whether it's across town or across the country, depends on having the right tie-downs. In this video, we will review several top-rated trailer floor tie-downs, comparing their features, durability, ease of use, and overall value to help you choose the perfect tie-down system for your needs and budget. Number 5. Rhino USA Ratchet Straps. These heavy-duty straps are perfect for securing all of your cargo. They're built to last and make transporting your items easy and safe. Support a father-son business committed to providing excellent customer service. Join the Rhino USA family today. It features a user-friendly design for quick and easy release. The patented end cap protects the ratchet mechanism, saving you time. They're engineered with a zinc-coated ratchet for durability, a padded handle for comfort, and coated S-hooks to prevent scratches. Transport your items with confidence knowing they are securely fastened. These straps are ideal for motorcycles, kayaks, furniture, and more. We stand behind our product. If you have any issues, we'll ensure you're 100% satisfied with a replacement or refund. What we like. It features a user-friendly design for quick release and is built to last a lifetime. This is enhanced by its patented end cap protecting the ratchet mechanism. If you value convenience and long-term reliability, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. They were long enough for all four corners of my truck. Super easy to use and the ratchet seems very durable and strong. I also like the Velcro straps because they help keep the excess from flopping around in the wind. The ratcheting mechanism is smoother than a Sunday morning, and the webbing is tough enough to withstand anything life throws at it. The hooks are solid and well designed, and they don't have that annoying tendency to get stuck or snap shut on your fingers. Plus, the rubber-coated grips make tightening them feel like a breeze, no more wrestling matches with stubborn straps. They come with a slick carrying bag, so you won't have to search through the garage like Indiana Jones every time you need them. Also, the double loop straps included are critical for motorcycle applications, not all ratchet kits include them. This allows you to wrap the double loop around the anchor point on the bike with much flexibility and then attach the metal hook to the strap. Number 4. Rhino USA Ratchet Straps Kit. These heavy-duty ratchet straps are built to last. They're perfect for securing your cargo and provide peace of mind on the road. Support a USA-based father-son business when you choose our straps. You're joining the Rhino family. It features a coated steel ratchet, chromoly S-hooks, and indestructible polyblend webbing for ultimate durability. With an incredible 5,208 pounds brake strength, it provides reliable performance and keeps your cargo secure. Whether you're hauling cargo, securing your ATV, or transporting your motorcycle, these straps will keep everything safe and sound. From trucks and ATVs to motorcycles and more, these versatile straps are ready for any adventure. Get yours today. What we like. With incredible braking strength, it's built with superior materials for ultimate durability. It provides peace of mind knowing your cargo is secured during transport. If you need superior strength and reliability for heavy loads, this is the one for you. What people say. The Rhino straps are far superior in every way. You can immediately feel the difference in the quality of the Rhino straps. The strap itself is thicker, which correlates to the higher workload and braking strength. The differences in the straps continues down to the quality of the stitching. The ratcheting mechanism on the Rhino straps worked as it should and did so with ease. Snap hooks on the end of the strap really gives you comfort your hooks won't come loose. I made it a point to stop and check every 100 miles or so and never had to adjust anything. This kit includes 4 heavy-duty ratchet tie-downs with padded handles and coated chromoly S-hooks, along with 4 soft loop tie-downs. The 5,208-pound brake strength of these straps gave me confidence in their ability to secure my load. The ratchets are easy to use and provide a secure and tight hold, making them perfect for heavy-duty tasks. One of the standout features for me was the tote that comes with the kit. It's incredibly handy for keeping the straps organized and easily accessible. Number 3. Rhino USA Chock Kit. Introducing the Rhino USA Will Chock Tie-Down Kit, the ultimate solution for securing your ATV, UTV, or lawn mower during transport. It's designed for ease of use and superior safety. This heavy-duty kit boasts an impressive 1,986 pounds brake strength, giving you the confidence that your cargo is safe and secure on the road. You'll have peace of mind knowing your equipment is protected. We stand behind our product. It comes with a real lifetime warranty, so if it rips, tears, or frays, we'll replace it at no cost to you. Everything you need is included. This kit contains all the necessary hardware for mounting, saving you time and hassle. Installation is a breeze. Simply roll your vehicle into place and bolt down the chocks to your trailer. It's that easy. The over-the-tire design accommodates tires up to 35 in diameter. It allows the suspension to articulate freely, reducing wear and tear on your vehicle. What we like. This kit includes all the hardware you need for easy installation and is designed for over-the-tire securing. It allows the vehicle's suspension to articulate freely, reducing wear and tear. If you prioritize ease of use and complete setup, this is the best option. What people say. What an easy 10-minute step to tie down your UTV. This is great, the car stays in place, does not move. Easy install, holds my Ranger very securely. Definitely better than regular ratchet straps. Perfect tie down for my Polaris General. Simple install and secure tie down system. Have made a couple trips now over FSR and this system did not budge. Number 2. 6 PCS heavy-duty steel D-rings. These heavy-duty D-rings provide maximum protection for your goods during transport. They're perfect for securing cargo on trucks, trailers, and more. With a braking strength of up to 3,500 pounds, these anchors are built to last. The wide surface design and 4 mounting holes ensure stability and prevent wobbling. They're made from high-carbon steel for superior hardness and durability. A protective electrophoresis coating ensures rust and corrosion resistance. Installation is a breeze, simply thread the screws or bolts through the mounting holes. They're ideal for various applications, from securing cargo to serving as wall hooks. Your purchase includes 6 D-rings, 24 bolts, and 24 screws. We're confident in our product's quality, offering a 30-day refund for any issues. What we like. Boasting a high braking strength and rust-proof coating, these D-rings are incredibly durable and versatile. They are suitable for securing cargo on various vehicles and surfaces. If you need robust, versatile tie-down points, this is a great option for you. What people say. The heavy-duty steel construction is rock solid, and the 3,500-pound braking strength is more than enough to handle even the heaviest loads. Installation is a breeze, thanks to the included screws and bolts. They securely mount to the surface, and I have peace of mind knowing that my cargo is safely and firmly anchored. The versatility of these D-rings is another highlight. I can easily attach my tie-down straps or bungee cords to them, ensuring that my cargo stays put, no matter the size or shape. Number 1. Recessed Pan D-ring Trailer Tie-Downs. These heavy-duty D-rings are perfect for securing your cargo. They're built to last and easy to install. Each D-ring boasts a 6,000 pounds straight pull capacity. The zinc coating ensures long-lasting protection against rust and corrosion. A complete hardware kit is included for a smooth installation. Detailed instructions make setup a breeze. The recessed design creates a smooth, trip-free surface when not in use. They're also designed to raise for easy use. This 4-pack includes everything you need: D-rings, backing plates, and all mounting hardware. You get 4 complete sets. They meet or exceed all relevant safety standards. The working load limit is clearly defined for your peace of mind. These D-rings can handle multiple tie-down straps simultaneously. They're the perfect solution for all your hauling needs. What we like. These recessed D-rings offer an impressive weight capacity and come as a complete set with all necessary hardware. The recessed design creates a flush surface when not in use. If you need high-capacity tie-downs with a clean, flush finish, this is the ideal choice. What people say. Very well built D-ring with oversized backplate allowing multiple placement options and galvanized 3/8 carriage bolt hardware. Highly recommend. These are sturdy and well built. I used a 3.25-inch hole saw and then just filed the wider edges for a tighter fit. 6,000 pounds capacity makes these beefier than the trailer they are mounted on. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.